take some of this stuff apart. Take out the cables. Let's bring this a little closer. We have some IDE cables, which should have some good gold. Got that power supply. Cables. See, now these IDE cables are usually really nice. If you're into the whole gold extraction and refining, there's some gold in all these little connectors here, so you guys should keep them. If not, snip them up. Board Sort I think pays about $1 per pound on these connectors, or any type of connector that has gold. Parallel port, serial port cables. These guys too, they have some gold in them. If you look at them clearly, cut them, send it to Board Sort, and they'll pay you. Go. Take care of the power supply. Oh, there's another IDE cable. Sorry about that, guys. Let's take out this power supply, or sorry, this heatsink, I should say. That's okay, I just dropped a bunch of screw bits. I wasn't expecting the heatsink to have flathead screws. Never seen that before. Usually it's either Phillips or they're kind of some kind of clamp that you just pop out. Almost done on the heatsink. There you go. So, got the heatsink out. So, you have the heatsink. Nice piece of aluminum. You could probably get about 50 to 60 cents on the pound. The fan, you should remove it, keep it. They sell pretty well on eBay if you collect a bunch of them. Like for about 10-20 of them you might get $30, so I suggest you keep those fans somewhere else instead of scrapping them. Unless they don't work, then you should scrap them with your copper bearing motors. see, we have a nice CPU here. Not really worth selling, but plenty of gold, and obviously there's gold under the aluminum spread plate. You get quite a bit of money for one of the, I think it's like $5 a pound on board sort. Again, if you're into the refining and whatnot of gold, take out the gold pins. I personally keep them on. I don't find it's worth taking that stuff out time-wise, even though it takes seconds. There's not enough weight in there to warrant ruining the CPU and losing all the value of the CPU. Because from getting $5 a pound, you end up getting less because you took out the gold. But again, unless you decide you want to refine and whatnot, it's very worth keeping that stuff.